Hi everybody, it's Teacher Chad here from OnlineEnglishTeaching.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple yet effective self-introduction video. These types of videos can serve two purposes. You can use them during the application process as a sort of substitute for a live interview, or you can have one to put on your teacher profile once you get hired to help potential parents and students get to know you so they can book your class. So you want to include a number of things in this type of video. Obviously, you want to introduce yourself, say your name. You can talk about where you're from and talk briefly about your qualifications and your experience. It's also a good idea to talk a little bit about your teaching approach, or how you might teach different types of students. And of course, it's good to have a call to action at the end of the video. If your video is for the application process, you might say something like, "I look forward to speaking to you soon." If it's to put on your teacher profile, you might want to go ahead and invite parents or students to book a class with you. And you want to keep these videos kind of short. Usually they're around a minute or two. So I'm going to do a little sample one for you here next so you can get an idea of how it works. Hello everybody. My name is Teacher Chad and I'm from Canada. I have a bachelor's degree in English from McGill University and a 120-hour TESOL certificate. I taught English as a second language in Japan for nearly 6 years, and I've been teaching English online for 2 years now. When it comes to my teaching approach, I really like to tailor my teaching approach to the individual student's needs. I really believe that every student has varying individual needs, and I like to get to know them and tailor my classes to what works well for them. And to all my potential students out there, I think we're going to have a lot of fun together, and I hope to see you in my class soon. Goodbye.